Boom! Welcome to another smashing episode of Streetz. And on today's episode, we went all the way to Irvine Beach, Scotland for the Irvine Summer Smasher. Basically, the Irvine Summer Smasher is a car show where lots of people bring different kinds of cars and all car related products to showcase what they've got, where people are revving their engines. Just showing off their cars, and we decided to take Streetz all the way to the Irvine Beach Summer Smasher, where we were asking them how to spell Rolls Royce.
ROLLS, ROYSE.
You want to make sure you watch this episode to the end because every beat is a banger.
ROYCE, ROYCE.
ROLLS. Oh, I thought knows, man. I don't know. Okay. You see, that's the fun of it. Hey, everybody's running, man. They're all running for me. Brother, can you spell Rolls Royce?
ROLLS dash. I fuck those, man.
You see, that's it, man. We out here, it's going down. Look at the car. The car looks amazing. Nice one, man. Can you spell Rolls Royce?
Rolls Royce? No, I'm rubbish at spelling.
Come on, try.
ROLLS ROYCE.
Thank you very much, man.
Rolls Royce. 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 What? Are you saying Royce?
I like him there. Let me come to him. Let me come to him. Can you spell it? You know the car Rolls Royce, right?
Oh, ROLLS. No, I don't know what's wrong with it. ROYCE. ROLLS.
You been driving? I love it. Thank you guys, man. Thank you guys. Can you guys spell Rolls Royce?
Rolls Royce?
Uh-huh.
ROLLS ROYCE.
All right, cool. Thank you very much. Big Steven, love your look, man. I have one question for you, Big Steven. Just one question, sir. Can you spell Royce?
What?
Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce?
Aye.
ROLLS ROYSE.
Thank you very much. The basic bikers. Remember that, right? The basic bikers out here. Yeah, man, we're out here, man. It's going down. Nice bikes, man. Guys, thank you very much. I'm coming up. Okay, come. Oh my God. I'm climbing the mountain. I'm on the top of the hill. What's going on? Oli! Yeah, man. Woo! Look at that. That's a better view. Guys, who's the smartest here? Stop running. Give you a smoke. Whatever you got, smoke. You go and come on. Can you spell Rolls Royce?
Spell what?
You know the car Rolls Royce, right?
Rolls Royce.
Can you spell that, please?
Nah.
Come on, try. Just give it a try. Come on. All your friends are here. We're all here supporting you for this. So come on. It's a big day. The cars are here and you are here. You can spell Rolls Royce.
ROLS ROYCE.
Guys, who can spell Rolls Royce? Who can spell it?
ROLLS RECYE.
Wait. Take your time. You ready?
ROLLS, the ROCYE.
Say that again.
The ROLLS, the ROCYE.
That's it. Excuse me, ice cream boy. I got a question for you. I love your ice cream, man. You're looking great, looking good. Can you spell Rolls Royce?
Nah.
Run.
Just. Hey, Jack. How you feeling? How you feeling in this amazing car?
Good.
How fast does it go?
180.
180. Can you make some noise for us? Nice one, Jack. Nice one, Jack. Well done, man. You're amazing. We got you, Jack. We got you, man. I love your Scotland supporting. Take that. That's it. Got your Scotland there. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
ROLLS, Rolls Royce, ROYCE.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Can you spell Rolls Royce?
No.
Spell what? Rolls Royce.
No. Can it?
There you go, man. Oh, big man, I love your car, man. It's a really nice car, man. I want to ask a quick question. Can you spell Rolls Royce?
What?
Royce.
Rolls Royce. What about it?
Can you spell it?
ROLLSROYCE.
That's it, man. This is the boss, man. You see, we got someone that can spell. There you go. Subscribe to our channel, TURNFLICKS.
If you match me, go ride you. Of my landlord, oh. If you get banana, and if you don't get it, belle. If you cook food, yawa, and if you don't rent it, belle. I dey living my life, you dey dirty my vibe. You won't kill my ginger, oh. Ganawa for you, landlord, oh. Landlord, oh. Landlord, oh. Landlord, oh. Landlord, yeah. No go let you drink. Him like na money. If you dey sick, now give me money. If you dey die, now where my money? Once you see people, now time to play your cassette. If you get banana, yawa, and if you no get it, belle. If you cook food, yawa, and if you don't rent it, belle. I dey living my life, you dey dirty my vibe. You won't kill my ginger, oh. Ganawa for you.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode of Streetz, and as usual, please, if you've not, smash the subscribe button and press the notification bell, and don't forget to watch all other episodes and all other dramas that we've got on this channel. Stay tuned till next time. I remain loyal.